Welcome to our course about cybersecurity incidents handling and response. The objectives of our course is to qualify you, if you are a beginner or intermediate IT specialist, to be professional in the field of cybersecurity incidents handling and responding. This course material is based on the material of several courses of SANS and their certifications by GIAC, and also it is based on other materials and experiences from the real life. The course covers the main concepts and phases of incident handling, the 6 phases of incident handling and responding, as well as some important advices from best practices and from experiences of experts in the field of incident handling and responding. You will be able by the end of this course to handle and respond to cybersecurity incidents according to scientific procedures and according to a well-defined architecture of steps. You will be able to build a team and manage your incident handling team by the end of this course. You will also be aware of the methodologies, procedures, and the common and fatal mistakes in the field of incident handling by the end of this course. It will be very beneficial for you, either you are IT specialist, cybersecurity specialist, developer, or even IT manager. About myself, I am Dr. Muhammad Adli. I hold the degree of PhD since 2014 in the field of computer networks. I am BSc in Communications and Electronic Engineering since 1998. I hold a diploma in computer networks, and I am certified from GIAC by 4 certificates in the field of cybersecurity. I also work as instructor, certified from Dale Carnegie, and my career as instructor goes back to 1999 in the field of networks, security, and other courses. Our course will be several sections. The first section is merely an introduction. It is composed of only one lecture. This lecture is focused on what is incident handling, the definition of an event, and the definition of an incident, and the difference between an event and an incident, and defining the incident handling and responding phases, the main 6 phases of incident handling and responding. This is section 1. Section 2 is about the phase of preparation. What are the preparation elements? How to build a team that will help you in the incident handling, and what and who will be the components and the personnel of this team. Section 3 is about the phase of identification, the second phase. Where does identification of an incident occur? And what are the methodologies for the assessment for this identification to be precise and to be accurate? Section 4 is about the containment. The containment needs deployment of a team for containment and categorization of the event according to criticality and severity. Also, containment needs some short-term and other long-term actions. This will be defined in Section 4. Section 5 is about the eradication, about the cleaning of the artifacts that were left by the hacker. This is about restoring and improving the defenses, restoring data and improving the defenses to be better than what it has been. Section 6 is about the recovery, about back to operation, is about the validation and the monitoring of the system that has been hacked or that has been affected by the incident that happened, and about keeping this system under monitoring and under an eye of validation until it is 100% working efficiently and clean. Section 7 is about the lessons learned. We should learn from every incident hitting our enterprise. We should meet. We should fix this. Fix this means that after going back to work, after going back to operation, we should think how to improve the defenses, how not to be hit another time by this malware or this virus or this attacker. We should share our experiences between each other. We should build a community that is strengthening each other, enforcing each other. Such community would be able to face hackers and attackers and malware developers in a better way than working in a solo way or working solely in this community. See you inside the course, and thank you.